Hi guys, and today I'm going to be making a thumbnail. Okay. See? That's the thumbnail that I made the last video. I did the video wrong, so I'll make a new one. Oh, let me just get onto a new one. To actually need is Fonto and YouTube Studio. So I've got Fonto first. When you find your video first. Camera. Take photo, or you can do it before, so you can have two hands. I'll do it here. So I'll go like this. Actually no, I'll do it like this. I'll be in the middle of the screen on this. Or something like that. Like 3, 2, 1. Like that. And it's at the right. So I've put the photo up. You can see the photo here. Now you go to press like in the middle of the screen, something like that. You can press anywhere. Then you like type something, so I'll type how to make a thumbnail. Okay? I'll type how to make a thumbnail on phone. I typed it in then, and then you can go change where it is. So like I'd put the size that, tilt, like you could do it like that. Make it a little bit bigger if you wanted. Like if you wanted, you could put like you could make another text. See, I'll make a text and I'll put like I'll put like CR7. Why not? Here you go here. Here you go size. You can make it bigger. Then you can go to like, you can go change colour, press it, and then press style. You can go like text, black, background, red. And then you go here, like you can style, writing white, background black. Hey, looks cool, don't it? Now, after you've made the thumbnail, go on to YouTube Studio. It should come up like this. It should log you into your account when you come on. You log in, and then it shows you like the dashboard. You go to the video you want to change the thumbnail on, to that pencil, edit thumbnail in the middle. Then you can go custom. Then you can choose showing me camera roll. You can go there, select, and save. But I don't need to save because I've already got mine up. So yeah, that was the video, guys. This don't have an intro or thumbnail, so I might make a thumbnail. I might get it on my phone. So yeah, bye guys.